Today we are in Great Neck, New York. Customer want to change the door. He has a wood door. He want to change it to insulated door. As you see, the door got broke from the bottom. Somebody eat it from the inside. The door size is 14 by 7. This is how the door looks from the outside, and this is the before. We're gonna take it apart and we're gonna put it new door for him. This is the door how it looks from the inside. As you see, we're gonna take it apart. We're gonna change the everything for the customer. As you see, we finished with the door. That's how it looks from the inside. Here we go. We just finished with the job. Again, we are in Great Neck, New York. This door is 14 by 7. We just have to put the molding for the customer, and we done.